Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to use shaders in Minecraft on PS4 and what is actually possible on this console. First, you need to understand that Minecraft on PS4 runs the Bedrock Edition, which does not officially support external shader mods like the Java Edition on PC. That means you cannot download and install traditional shader files directly onto your PS4. However, there is a safe alternative to improve graphics. Open Minecraft and go to the Marketplace from the main menu. Search for realistic texture packs or enhanced lighting packs. Many creators design packs that simulate shader effects, such as improved water reflections, better skies, softer shadows, and brighter lighting. Choose a pack you like and purchase or download it. After downloading, go to Settings, then Storage, and activate the texture pack for your world. You can also edit a specific world, scroll to Resource Packs, and apply the pack before loading in. Once inside the game, adjust brightness and video settings for the best visual results. Avoid websites claiming free PS4 shader downloads because they are not supported and often misleading. The Marketplace method is currently the only safe and official way to achieve a shader-like look on Minecraft PS4. Subscribe the channel for more videos.